Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing your DAW and any audio utilities so files aren't locked. Once done, make sure you've saved projects. You won't lose work. Then open Finder and go to both System and User plugin folders, /library/audio/plugins and ~library/audio/plugins. You do this because Serum can install in O, VSD, and VSD3 paths. Pause background plugin scanners or restart into safe mode for a clean removal. This avoids permissions conflicts and missing files later. You now delete the plugin binaries. Remove Serum. Component from components, Serum. VSD from VSD and Serum. VSD3 from VSD3. After that, navigate to ~library/audio/presets and remove the Serum presets folder so presets don't reappear. Next, check ~library/application support and /library/application support for Xfer or Serum folders. Remove license token files only if you intend a full uninstall. Make sure to empty the trash only after finish by emptying trash and relaunching your DAW, then force a full plugin rescan. That confirms Serum is gone. If the host still shows Serum, restart your Mac to clear caches and check plugin cache folders in ~library/caches for host-specific files. If license remnants remain, deactivate via your Xfer account or carefully remove token files from application support. Finally, keep a backup of presets and installer files for safety. If anything goes wrong, restore those backups and retry the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.